Dragon fruit is often treated as a visual aesthetic, a vibrant garnish for smoothie bowls, or a supplement for skin health. But its real utility lies in a specific biological toolkit found within the flesh, designed to address threats that a simple diet change cannot always reach. These threats are largely invisible. On one side, we see the accumulation of LDL cholesterol. On the other, jagged free radicals and blood sugar spikes cause microscopic damage to the inner lining of the cardiovascular system. Cutting out processed foods helps, but the heart requires active intervention to repair and clear these existing blockages. Dragon fruit provides this intervention through a dual-action shield, managing the chemistry of the blood while reinforcing the physical structures that contain it. This process begins in the digestive tract. The fruit's high fiber content and natural prebiotics trigger a systemic sweep of the body's primary fluids. This fiber acts as a physical regulator. It forms a biological mesh that catches sugar molecules, slowing their absorption. This controlled pace prevents sudden glucose spikes, reducing pancreas workload and protecting insulin-producing cells. The mesh also targets lipids. It binds to low-density lipoprotein, bad cholesterol, pulling it from circulation before it settles in arteries. This filter is selective, removing harmful LDL while allowing beneficial good cholesterol to remain, maintaining balance. By managing sugar levels and sweeping away excess lipids, the fiber optimizes the composition of the blood before it reaches the heart's valves. The second stage of the shield focuses on the physical infrastructure, the interior walls of the blood vessels. Even with clean blood, vessel walls face constant degradation. Free radicals, erratic, unstable molecules, constantly strike the cellular lining, causing microscopic tears. To counter this, the fruit deploys a payload of betalains, polyphenols, and vitamin C. These antioxidants act as neutralizers. They seek out and absorb the impact of free radicals, preventing them from ever making contact with the vessel walls. This neutralization of free radicals is the same mechanism that prevents cellular damage in the skin. By stopping the molecules that break down collagen in tissue, these antioxidants preserve the elastic fibers that keep your arteries flexible. In red-fleshed varieties, iron combines with the vitamin C to boost the production of red blood cells, ensuring the blood is highly oxygenated and preventing the onset of anemia. This combination of repair and oxygenation keeps the vascular system resilient against high-pressure blood flow. The cardiovascular system operates as a single interconnected engine. Supporting one part requires supporting the whole. As we've seen, dragon fruit manages the sugars and fats inside the blood while reinforcing the vessels that carry them. Protecting the fruit as a routine maintenance tool for the heart shifts its role from an exotic treat to a functional necessity for the body's pump. We often look for health solutions that can be applied to the surface of our bodies, but lasting energy depends on the internal strength of the vascular system. Protecting these internal pathways is the core requirement for internal health, building a resilient system from the inside out.